What's up, YouTube? Another Trail Dogs Tuesday. We're going to go ahead and put a EVO catch can on a 2021 Maverick X3 Turbo RR. We're going to show you guys how to do it, so stay tuned. All right, first things first, you're going to go ahead and climb in here, and this is from the cab. You take your center thing off, it just pops out, and go ahead and find your, see that little nipple right there where the hose clamp is? You got to loosen that as good as you can loosen it and pop it off that little nipple. And then you got to pull it through to the other side. So we'll show you that in here in a second. While we're here, we'll go ahead and tell you, you got to block that off, but we'll show you how to do that here in a minute. All right, so this hose right here is going to mount to your catch can right here on your frame rail, but it ran behind this hose and towards the front. It ran behind right here and ran towards the front of the machine. So what we did is we fed it out, and now it's going to catch the catch can back here. So stay tuned for the mount of the catch can. Okay, we just went ahead and got everything mounted correctly. Put it right there. What we ended up doing is taking a PVC cutter and cutting off about 2 to 2.5 inches of the pipe, because it was kind of kinking it. It was up in here. It was kind of kinking it back here, kinking the hose. So we went ahead and cut some of the hose out of it, and it made it good. Press the clamp on. It's pretty easy to do. You just pull it through, hook it up, put the thing where you want it, mount it down tight, put the filter on, clamp the hose down, and then all you got left to do is the block off kit, which we're about to go do that right now. Stay tuned. So what we're going to do now is feed the hose clamp down on it. Got it a little bit too tight, so I'm going to back it off just a little bit.
Got my assignment done. You borrowed pictures.
And voila, there she goes. She's all good to go. And that's pretty much wraps up this install for the EVO catch can. So yeah, it went pretty easy. Got any questions, just leave it in the comments. I'll get you back. And thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.